Hello guys, good morning. Ayan, magagawa ako ng egg omelette but this time spinach ang ating ilalagay. Lagyan lang natin ng olive oil. Alright. Yung spinach is already cooked. So, direkta na natin ilalagay ang ating binating itlog. Pinitin natin konti. And now, ilalagay ko na ang aking binating itlog. Ayan. At ilalagay ko na rin ang aking pababaw natin. Spread lang. Luto na yan siya guys ng ano. Ayun, na-spread ko na yan. Wait na lang natin. Magda-dry. Ayan, i-fold ko na lang siya. Oops, yun. This is egg omelette with spinach. It's healthy. And it's ready to serve. Ayan. Egg omelette with spinach. Ayan. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.